This is Brian with Wonder Art and Adventures. Today we're going to be doing a wood burning slash painting. We're going to be doing this on a surfboard that I hand carved. It's actually on white pine, and I have a template that I've made up, so I'll keep making these. But anyway, I sand them down around the edges, get them ready to go, and either I paint them and wood burn them, do resin on them. My wife actually takes these sometimes and does pour paints on them as well. So today we're going to be learning about this. I've already got my design pre-drawn. I'm going to start out wood burning all of everything that I've gotten done, and then I'll do my little shadows and stuff, and then as you see when we go along, I'll come back when I'm finished, and then I'll start painting and highlighting. But what I want to do is, like on my palm trees here, I want to leave the natural wood shining through. For my beach, I'll leave the natural wood shining through, and then everything will be just painted and highlighted. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get started burning. All right, everybody, I'm back and we're ready to paint. I've got all my colors set and ready to go. Got my paper towel, wipe my brushes off, good cup of coffee, and let's get started. This is what it looks like. You gotta let the paint dry for just a minute. I don't know if y'all noticed while I was on break, I had a little couple of people around the tiki bar and one guy fishing and people walking around. But anyway, that's just a quick doodle. Normally when I do these, I take about a day or so because I have to come home from work and then play around with it and then do it again. But anyway, this is what it is. I'm about to pour the resin right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and, my wife's got the camera and I'm gonna set this down, finish mixing my resin. And this is a two-part wood resin that I get from Home Depot. Comes in two different bottles. It's a side A and a side B. You have to mix it for a little bit. Make sure there's no bubbles in it. But I've been doing this on a lot of my wood burning paintings and stuff. And it just brings out the color, plus it protects it. If you want to put something like this outside on your deck, tiki bar or whatever. And you're supposed to mix this for like 3 minutes, but anyway, now I'm going to just pour it on, start at the corner, run it right down the middle. Because you want to cover both sides of it, all sides of it actually. And this stuff levels out on its own, so It'll run off the sides. Supposed to be actually wearing gloves while I'm doing this. But as one of my favorite YouTubers says, safety third, so I go with that one. I scrape up the excess because this stuff is not cheap. I'll make sure I get it smooth across my edges. Alright, and there you go. It will dry that shiny. You can see I left everything just, you know, the natural wood shining through and all that, and I've done way better than this, but I kind of rushed this one. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll see you on the next one.